Greetings, audience. First of all, I would like to say I'm recording from a platform that I recently finished, and I would like to show this platform to my audience, so here it is. Okay. Okay. I would like to apologize for last video's audio. The person who edits my videos put in music, and you couldn't hear anything. Well, that won't happen again, hopefully. Anyway, today's video is about batons, dual wielding, and any other mace-like weapons. Okay, to start out, there are two main types of batons for two different uses. Training batons, or blunt force batons. It's what you usually see cops using, or anything. It's for training and bruising purposes. And then the other type of batons are spiky, sharp batons that are used to cut into the skin, leave flesh wounds, stuff like that. I'm going to be demonstrating some of my skills with these. So, sit back and enjoy the video. Okay, I'm going to use one of the trees that are holding up this platform as a target, first of all. Okay, here's what you gotta do while you're using batons or anything. An important thing is to remember is to keep changing up your speed and your position and how you strike the target. Because most sword fighters, or any amateur sword fighters, when you're sword fighting, they're going to get used to a pattern. They're going to get in sync with how you're fighting. So after about 5 seconds of fighting the same way at the beginning, you should shift speeds and go faster, then slower, then on the next, after about 4 seconds, you should start hitting different positions on the target. Okay, now I'm going to try on multiple targets. I'm using these group of trees right here. So, watch. An important thing to remember while you're using multiple targets is switch as often as you can, like this. It will stop your enemies from having time to do serious damage. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how to increase speed and slow speed, and how you should stay in your form.